what's up, good people? We getting ready to head out here and go take the GOAT to the radio store for them to see what they can do about keeping it on. That's where we're headed right now. All right, watch the video. You never know when I might do a gift card giveaway or give away something. So watch the video in its entirety. All right, holla at y'all in a minute. Peace. Yeah, man, so my first mission is to go and drop off the GOAT, and then I got to get to the store and get this gift card and send that out to the person who announced that they watched the video in its entirety, the video from the Ocean City Bike Fest. I have to go take care of that, and also want to go to Best Buy and see what their prices are like on a radio for the BMW Z4. Speaking of BMW Z4, look at this one right here. This color is nice. Look at that one. 430 coupe. That's a brand new puppy right there. That thing looks good. Also, I'm thinking about going to that restaurant that the guys was talking about that was on their bike the other day. I forgot the name of it, but I have to go back in the video and look at it and see. It's like, I think it's like a barbecue place, and they have like it's like home cooked food. You know, it's not franchise. So I want to check that out. I think my cousin coming to town today. He's supposed to be. If he do, that'll be something that we can go do. Because he likes barbecue, so he like beef and stuff like that. I don't eat that, but I will go to that place. I can have me some potato salad and focus on some veggies. I'm gonna try to cut back off of the chicken for a while, and turkey. That's the only thing I really eat: chicken, turkey, fish, seafood, stuff like that. So I'm going to cut back on the turkey and the chicken and just focus on vegetables, and eat me some. I'll have some potatoes or whatever like that there. So that's the plan, man. So we're just going to keep on pushing, and I will talk to y'all once I get up inside of the GOAT, picking up that GOAT. Radio is on right now. As long as I don't hit the turn signal, the radio will stay on, right? This house across the street. That was a mess. They're getting it together though. It's looking good. Crazy thing is, the garage opener works at night, don't work in the day. I think it's the way the sun is hitting the sensor. I won't close in the daytime. At night I don't have any problem. Alright, man, I gotta go around the front. Lock this garage door. Who know this song? Can't play it too long though. Can't play it too long. I want to go check this spot out too. Lagos Island Grill. See, they have two locations. There's one heading in the direction where we're going. However, it's an island grill, and I'm hoping that they have. Well, yeah, they should have at least red snapper or something like that, right? So I might hit them up for this for lunchtime. And also, it's a car show this weekend in Wildwood classic car show. So we're going to venture out and check that out. Not sure which day. I would love to go on a Saturday, at least on a Saturday, early Saturday morning, and stay over till Sunday. That would be cool. However, if that doesn't happen, we'll at least go for that Saturday. And then Sunday, it's a lot of local car shows, and we may hit one of them. I like the bike shows, man. I like bike shows and car shows. It seems like the channel, like, I think y'all like more of the bike shows. I don't know. Let me know. Give me comments. Let me know. The season is about to change. Also, I put firearms on the channel as well, and I want to get to the range. Let me know if that's something y'all interested in as well, so we can get into that a little bit more, so I can bring y'all some content that y'all really want to see. All right, C8, man, in the back. I don't know if y'all can see it. I might pull over so we can check it out when it ride by. Stripe on here. I don't really like that color, but it's not my car, so I didn't like the stripe neither on it. Right, man, we're gonna keep on rocking it. Yup, look at that Jeep, one of them Jeeps, man. Same exact one, same color. It's the Mojave. I'm trying to decide if I want to take this old school down to the car show. If I could get this radio situated and with these turn signals, then I'll take it down. I'll ride it down there. It'll be a nice little cruise down the Wildwood. If I can't get it straight now, can't take it, man. But we'll work on trying to, hopefully they can get it straight today. And that'll take care of the situation. And then we can ride this on down the Wildwood. That'll be awesome, right? Yes, sir. All right, so we can pull up at the radio place now. Alright, so we made it on up here. Wow, they got a cool bike outside, man. Let's check this joint out. Got a cool car over there. Two cool bikes. Sheesh. Look at this one. Dang, look at y'all can't, I don't know if y'all can see the paint, man. It's like flakes in that joint. And this right here be rocking. Look at this. I know this was at the car show. I mean, the bike show. I didn't see it down there, though. So we got the goat over here, man, at the place. Just want to check this bike out a little more. Waiting on my Uber ride to get here. So they got the air ride, the air shocks on here. This thing dropped down. Got bass speakers in here in the back, tweeters in the front. See on the side, the breathers on the side. And they got the speakers right here. The ostrich seat. The pop-up lever for the gas tank. You got the Pioneer in here with the pull-out disc. RPM gauges. A little bit of rust around here, but they touched that up. I like the little sleek mirrors on here. Changed the levers. Changed the grips. All black everything. With a little bit of plating going around the actual engine. Drop this thing on the belly, man. And this right here, this is just so clean, man. This is so clean. Yeah, plus it's a lot skinnier. Look at that exhaust, man. That exhaust is crazy. Taking them on in before the rain come.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna pass or not.
Alright, so I made it back to the Prius, baby. Just waiting on him to give me a call, let me know what the outcome is with the radio. And pretty much go from there. Get me something to eat. And get on this computer and do a little bit of work. And then head on back out. I just got to this car, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the other radio store or go. I better go get something to eat, because before you know it, it'll be like 8, 9, 10 hours later. Got to get that food in you, man, so you can function better. All right, grab something to eat real quick. Man, I gotta find me a righteous hairstylist, man. These joints are crazy. I'm gonna cut them off one or the other, man. I can't take it. If I can find somebody that's, I can go to every 2 weeks at least. That ain't too far. I'm in there, man. I gotta find somebody that's right. So anyway, they called me, so I'm headed back to the shop to pick up, to go. He said that he got it taken care of, so we're gonna go see if he have it taken care of. All right, that's what the plan is, my man. All right, need a cut or something, man. I need to do something. These joints kind of long, though. About to cut this stuff off, y'all. About to cut it off. All right. Holler at y'all in a minute.
Jacked up.
She was loud.
Yep. I was like, Pop, welcome to Philly, man.
You don't see none of that in Lancaster, Papa?
No.
They don't act like that?
Definitely not in Omaha.
Definitely not in Omaha.
Yeah.
They be chill in Omaha, right?
That was funny, man. No, but I told him, I said, you could only go one or two ways. Either I'm going left or I'm going straight. So wait your turn and see what I'm doing first. She was trying to pass me on the right. I was waiting for this, like I told Papa, I was waiting for her to say, what, you blind or something? And I was like, yeah!
Yeah, you gotta teach Papa how to drive sooner than later, man. Was you 16, Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Send him to the school down there.
Lessons.
Yeah.
With the 2 steering wheels.
Yeah.
Then I gotta get him something.
No, he can drive this. Why?
See, now you're doing too much, man. So you can drive this.
No, he can drive this. Because y'all ain't gonna be moving around but so much.
Right.
So the little bit y'all moving around with, he can drive, you know what I mean?
But this is
he can help you out with the driving.
This is advanced level, man. Look how low you gotta sit in the seat, man. This is advanced.
Your head cool, ain't it? That's the only thing about I'm wondering when I cut my hair, my head gonna be cool. Because people they stitch it back in the head. That's Papa back there, y'all. He used to have dreads, locks. He cut his joints off. He ain't save them though.
He was at the Puerto Rico's.
Save them. You get somebody they put them right back in with the crochet needle. People do that all the time. Y'all ain't know that? Huh?
I said, he said, how you want it? I said, just do the number 1 all the way around.
Oh,
he's like,
my
the edges?
God.
I was like, no, all the way around.
Oh, my God.
He's like, the sides and the back? I was like, all the way around. He's like, all of it? I was like, Papa, remember the boy?
Yeah.
He was like, all of it?
And then while we was doing the haircut, he was about to go ask you again. I just said, cut it off.
He's about to ask you again?
Yeah, he was about to walk over to ask him again. I was like,
man, just cut it off, man. Stop playing. You heard him. He just want to make sure he right, so he don't do a oops.
Man, he asked me like 3 times, man.
Yeah.
He's like, just the edges, like, because Papa had the edges like was cut anyway, like right here, like shape up.
Yeah.
He's like just line up and just the edges, right? I was like, no, all of them.
Man, I would have said let him keep it till he get to Nebraska. See how he act a couple weeks. You was over there, your lips was quivering, and you like, no, cut it off. Yeah. I'd have said, nah, let him rock out for a week or 2 in Nebraska. See how he done bought the vert with him. 650, right?
Yeah.
BMW 650. Champagne color. Black interior.
What was I calling it? Silver?
Yeah.
You can really tell when it rains, this get darker. Like a darker brownish.
Oh yeah, the top is almost the same color as the car.
Yeah.
And we going.
If she had $10 million, she'd probably be spending $20,000 a month. Man.
Yeah.
Look at her. They got her sitting up there like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They're gonna be mad that you're taking it. Everybody, can it stay? Like a
Oh yeah. Top almost the same color as the car. 650i, man. Yo, how y'all just gonna jump on somebody's bike, man? This ain't no bike shop. Yo, y'all crazy. Get off that bike, boy. Just going
this feel good.
Just gonna jump on somebody's bike, man. Yeah, their knees go up.
Yeah,
the foot things, they adjust. And this right here. It adjusts.
Adjust.
But it did. It looked like it fit him good. No, man. Because that ain't even his.
This a customer?
Yeah.
What is they putting on this?
You could take him up Crossroads and let him jump on them Jones.
What they putting speakers on him?
Yep. Look like they already did. This might be his coming around the corner. Be like, get off my bike. Get off my bike. Oh, y'all found a spot around there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I should have did, huh? Is more spots around there or not really? Oh, okay.
Dang, I just got them.
Wow, look. Yo, look. That almost matched this joint. That wheel. It's a little off. You see it, Papa? It's a little off, though.
Might be right, because you still got to look through the glass.
And I was talking about putting some bigger wheels on this joint, too. Wow. Alexani. That's a 20. Thanks.
This how my job was at Pontiac.
Oh, in the showroom. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks. All right. Yo, Papa King. Oh, cool. Let me show you what I was talking about. Yeah. Similar, yeah. But it was the same price. The 12. It's it right here. Pioneer.
And the back is like a single ding.
Single dent, yeah.
Alpine been doing that for a long time.
See, it's a double dent that wouldn't work. Yeah, Alpine do it as well, but not sure if that will work.
And they don't move or nothing. It's just like this one.
Yeah.
It like float.
Yeah.
Yeah, this it right here.
Yeah, but this one won't work. That's a double dent. This is a single right here.
This is double?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm positive. You can see it over here.
I see it on film.
Yeah. No, go back to the wall. Feel it? Yeah. That was included in the price. We at the John, man. We out here. This is nice. On the front. Off-road. Silverado. Central 4-wheel drive. This is like The Fall Guy. There was a movie out called The Fall Guy. He had one of these joints. Shocks in the back. And they got back there. It almost looked like air shocks. Are they? I don't know. Can't really tell. I see something on it. That's probably to keep the mud and stuff out of it. Probably going to paint this back part later. That's nice. Watch out, Koo. I think you can remove. I don't know. Hey, my man. Vegas. You got the real boys over there, man. Freaking Vegas, baby. High beams on, so you can see. Still ain't cleaned the windows for him. Coming back on here, I don't know if I said it, but yeah, he got it straightened out for me. So the radio working. He was telling me how somebody had it tied in. I think the guy, when it was at the shop, he did something. I don't know. But anyway, and the turn signals, the turn signals are on. So now that's working, the turn signals is working and everything too. So now we may take the car with us to the Wildwood thing on Saturday, man. We might take the car with us, man. Haha. Yes, sir. That little scooter was fast, man. Yo, this is the absolute best weather for this car. Look at this. They got school stuff in there. That's Felice. What's up, big buildings? This is the best weather, man, like I was saying, for this car, because it's not hot, it's not cold, it feels good. You know, you get your windows down, get a little bit of breeze coming through. Man, I feel good. I feel good this joint today, man. I feel like I'm getting some things taken care of, man. Another BMW coming the other way. Drop top joint. Yeah, man. See a little bounce going on. Alright, we're in a little bit of a traffic jam right now. Just gonna keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Wire came off the top of the truck. Wire came off the top of the trolley up there. They gotta come out and put it back on. That van was getting ready to try to go around them. Don't do that. Don't do that, buddy. Y'all might back up onto you. to this side. What I really like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? This joint right here. This is nice. Land Rover Defender. Decent.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.